Hello.
Big school.
What is your motto?
Yeah, I miss
This is our
RSPC.
first NSTP field work.
Pero ano ka?
Then the next day, I went to UST with my friend to watch a Rakugo. It's a traditional form of entertainment in Japan, and as a nation studies student, I think I should go. So I went to the National Library of the Philippines to feel motivated, and I've been there for like almost a day. And it was quite a productive day kasi natapos ko naman lahat ng requirements ko. Then when the UST library was open na, dun na lang ako. Really sorry, wala akong masyadong clips, but this was after our pad fed and I ate at Ehlers with my friends.
Pinterest mo man lang. Akin na din at naman lang mag-aral.
Really sorry, kulang-kulang yung clips. I was really locked in studying, but this was during our orgs filming. I have to film for the introduction of the heads. So I'm on the way to Newport to watch the Baguettes musical, and that was my first theater play, so it was really good. And ayan, I have been obsessed with theater plays lately, and sana makago pa ako and more. Tingin ko swinerte ako dito because Andres not supposed to play sa set na to, and then nagulat kami, bigla siya lumabas, and it was really good also. Like, he was the reason why I watched this to begin with.
It was good.
So nag-move it na lang ako pa uwi because hindi ko alam mag-commute, and it was already like 11. So pupunta na naman ako ng National Library because I'm not motivated at all, and programs namin, and kailangan ko mag-lock in. Really thank you po sa mga public libraries, and sana mas rumami pa siya here in the Philippines. Nakikita niyo sobrang cook na ako dito because I'm not even wearing makeup anymore. So nagpunta ako sa library here around 8, and yung first class namin is around 1 pa ata. So ganun talaga, lock in talaga ako dyan kasi hindi ako nag-review ng gabi, I think. As you can see, yung mga footage na to are filmed in March pa, and ngayon lang ako nag-edit kasi tinatamad ako. Really sorry guys, but I'll be more consistent next year.
Tangina ko, kailan wala akong ayos, kaya kayo mag-
So ayun, nakadating ko lang yung mga friend ko nag-aaya na maggala sa Cubao.
Guys, baka bumaba ako kapag pinalitan niyo yung sagot. Right now. Dahil yan, bro. Forget fighting. Guys, pupunta ba tayo? Pagkina mo. Ako, wala pa yung
Ayan, nakita nyo, hindi makakasama si Joel because she has prior commitments.
Uy, ngayon pakinggan. Gusto mo mag-up ng top?
Ang gala ko pa.
Ayun, I just finished the exam and I think I aced it naman.
Hola! Hola! Ikagagalit pa na magulang ko kapag nag-commute ako mag-gets.
Ayun, we went to Gateway Mall, and of course, hindi mawawala ang bookstore visit whenever me and my friends go to the mall or someplace na mayroong malapit na bookstore. Like, I think required talaga siya. Like, kahit magtitingin lang kami. I really love my college friends because we have the same interests, like all nerdy interests that I have. Alam nila. I really love them for that. And eto, kapag ka nag-visit kami ng library, we just like talk shit about the authors or like the books itself.
Daddy room.
Over hardcover. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko kaya mag-asin. Mabigat.
Ayun ko dapat yung pag-release na tapos muna siya.
Another sad boy.
Ito po yung tapos.
Kafka.
Another one, thank you.
Another one, thank you. Ay, tako, mahirap
Saan
na
yung
ba?
politics? Bigay niya yan kay Sir. Matutuwa yan.
Sir.
Bibigyan ka niya ng quote. Kabisado na yan.
Little Women.
Ito Quran.
Ito?
Ricky!
ng clips. Kasi wala naman ako magagawa pag uwi ko ng province. May ano ba sa inyo? Parang pamahiin. Yung bawal ka masyado lalabas kapag holiday.
Hindi na.
Namin bawal kasi mas delikado daw. Tapos yung if ever maksidente ka, malala. Tapos, if pagkakasugat ka, matagal gumaling. Or magmamarka siya ng matagal.
I'm in my element. Hanapin natin si Gojo. Where's Gojo? Or other?
Then nagpunta kami here dito sa Red something. Nakalimutan ko na yung name. But it has a lot of animes and my friends. And I also like that.
Satoru. Ano to? Bebot. Hindi ba? Sa TikTok yun, di ba? What the fuck? Mama, what are you doing? Mama, I want one more. Okay.
And ayun, we're on the winter fashion week now. And because kailangan ko ng mga dress or like
No, overload ako guys. What a freak.
Wait lang.
I ended up buying 2 dresses and my friend buying 1. And ayun, pumunta kami sa KKB to look around.
Yung parang Chinatown.
Chinatown. LDR na.
Then here, naghiwalay na kami ng mga landas. But me and Julia went back to Recto kasi meron pa siyang rehearsal. Tuman kami ng bicho-bicho.
Bicho-bicho.
Then, nag-aral ako sa National Library ulit because I think the library was full at the time. And eto, naka-accomplish naman ako ng napakahabang reviewer because prelims nga namin. Then, tamang tambay lang ako here sa Luneta Park. Then, nagpasa lang saglit. Pero bumalik rin ako agad kasi marami pa akong gagawin na reviewers. Ang nakakainis kasi sa akin is I have to write it physically in order for me to retain it. So, every finals and every prelims, so parang sakit ng kamay ko kasi nire-rewrite ko yung mga reviewers ko na tinype ko rin naman nung una. Then here naman, inaya ko ng friend ko na napaka-sponty. 1 a.m. niya ako inaya manood ng theater and the theater that we're going to is scheduled at like 2 p.m. So, syempre, bilang isang sponting tao, nag-yes ako. So, here's the fit check. Yan yung isa sa mga dress na binili ko for 50 pesos sa Fashion Depot. So, ayan, first time ko dito sa Ayala Triangle, kaya nag-ano lang ako, movie lang ako. Here yung pinanood naming theater play, it was named Chorus Night. It is one of the classics sa Broadway, and it was really good.
Singular. Meron? Singular. After singular. I-rate mo ang ano, singular sensation out of ganda gag.
Then we realized na mayroon palang season pass kami, kaya kumuha kami ng signed copy ng poster, tapos mayroon big stage tour where we got to meet the artists and they were really good. So, ayun, after that, kumain kami sa Marikana. In order ko is yung katsudon as always. Then, ayun, si Julian, nawala niya yung wallet niya. So, kailangan pa namin bumalik doon kasi pero, ayun, nahanap rin naman namin yung wallet niya. And thankfully, kompleto naman siya because sa theater lang rin naman siya nawala.
Na para bang tayo kumanta. Samsung ano?
Grabe, sa mga probinsya.
Probinsya ang the duality.
Ayan, this was our second NSDP and nagbrigada lang kami and maaga rin kami umuwi because sabi ko nga prelims namin. So, our proctor understood na kailangan namin mag-review agad. Ayun, naikot ko na yung buong UST with my groupmates kasi hindi namin mahanap yung bus but it was just in front lang pala ng junior high. Ayun, kaya napakaingay namin because the bus was actually really good.
Ano yung
Then ayun, hintay lang na namin matapos yung mga ibang group, then uuwi na kami.
Ba't ano? Ay, may nag-comment. Sino yan? Nadine Lustre. Ano? Parang tanga. Sino sa dalawa? Ay, yung may piercing daw. Ano? Parehas. Yung may piercing daw. Ano yun? Sino po yung nakabangs parang tumatambay sa Cubao Expo? Wala. Sinipilit ko ba? Sabi ko yung binabasa niya. Reading fake comments na. Reading fake comments. Ano yun? So, minimension ka dito. Subject natin,
We were so cooked na nagre-review na sila habang naghihintay kami. So ayun, this was our final during Spanish. Nakikita niya naman na nagda-non-verbal na ako kasi hindi ko na talaga yung gagawin ko. Ayun, while waiting for my friend, nagre-review na ako for the upcoming exam naman.
Leche, ganito pala magiging outsider. Layo eh. Ang ina eh, sabi kanino pa umawap yan.
Ayun, lumabas na ako ng room ko kasi hindi talaga ako makapag-lock in to force myself to reveal. Nagpunta ako here. And I went back na sa bed to read you test na lang. Then ayun, nakatulog na ako na naka-on yung laptop ko.
This is me before grade PE. Leche. I have a meeting later. I-edit yung sa moon because ng got your head. And yung hiker, nag-host ko na si Kurt. Isa-submit na lang ba yun? Hindi na gagawin on-site?
Then ayun, nagpunta ako sa Library Cafe with my friends and I ordered a matcha and it was not good. Nakikita nyo na I'm in my I don't give a fuck outfit anymore.
Doon.
Then nagpunta na naman me here sa library to study for our paper because yung assessment naman sa major is different.
Thank you guys. So, ibig sabihin dito tayo magka-class later sa Wosoku. Ay, yes. Leche.
I was not really satisfied with my essay pero ayun, mataas may nabigay namin, we're in the highest percentile and nagawa ko naman atay dapat kong gawin kasi okay naman yung grades ko this sem sa major namin.
Mamatay na lang. This is me after fucking Asian 3132. Putang ina.
And here's the event naman namin sa Oregon. Ayun, I'm on the way to Frasati kasi doon yung event. And just eating bread kasi hindi ko ako breakfast and all day I just took pictures sa mga different councils. So So, ayun guys, like what do you guys think about my new editing style? Like, is it better or not? And like, pwede kayo mag-suggest ng for improvement. And that's all for my video.